All right, legends, we are doing our lift kit on Caleb's BT50 today. I've already jumped the gun and put on the hoist and taken the wheels and stuff off. But yeah, so I just wanted to have a look at how the lift kits were in a BT50 because I've done lift kits before, but not in a BT50, but it's very standard, same as a lot of other cars, so that's fine. Anyway, yeah, let's get into it. So I ended up going to see Luke at Bowen Tyre and Auto to use his spring compressor because the one upstairs is good for Commodores and stuff, like with a lighter spring, but these are under a lot of preload. So it was pretty sketchy trying to do them up there. I wasn't into it, and then I tried to do them with just the hand ones, and I was just like, nah, what am I doing? So yeah, chucked them in the car. I actually am on 24-hour call out with my other business, so I had 2 jobs I had to go do, which took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours by the time I drove around and did everything. So I thought I'll roll us out. Go to Bowen Tyre and Auto, borrowed their spring compressor, and got it done. So shout out to the boys, appreciate it, and let's get back into it.
To see rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. Take it in, we got no plans. Good things come to those who can. Live moment to moment and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. So look alive, 'cause while paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know, taking
so I finished the lift kit on this BT50. I realised that I forgot to take any before footage or photos, so hopefully Caleb has something that I can put in here for you guys to see what it looked like before. It's definitely lifted now. I can see that already. I could even park it next to my Colorado because it's stock, even though it's a different car. It was about the same height. So you can see, but yeah, it's definitely got a lift kit. It's meant to be a 2-inch, kind of seems like it's bigger, but yeah, we'll see. It probably might settle. But anyway, yeah, I'm just going to take it for a test drive now, make sure everything's hunky-dory, and then yeah, it's right for Caleb to pick it up. Anyway, if you guys need lift kits or lowering or airbag suspension, guard rolling, all those sort of things, yeah, hit me up. I'm happy to do it. Even roadworthy work. If you've got a list, give me a list, I'll attack it for you. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to go on this test drive and I'll show you some clips of the car finished.